In this video, we're going to go over the difference between goals, objectives, and outcomes. So let's go right ahead and jump into this here. So it's important to understand the differences between the goals, the objectives, and the outcome. Now with goals, they're an observable and measurable end result having one or more objectives to be achieved. Now, goals are typically going to be broad in scope. And a good example of this is saying, hey, my goal is to lose weight, or my goal is to increase profits, right? It's very, very broad. So an objective is essentially a specific result that you're trying to achieve within a time frame and with available resources. So just think about a goal where you want to increase profits, and then an objective may be that you're going to run a special promotion and you want to accomplish that promotion by a certain date, right? So with using the example of wanting to increase profits as a goal, right, a company's objective might be to call all existing customers with a special promotion to increase sales and then introduce a new product or service. That may be an individual type of objective that needs to get taken care of. And when it comes to outcomes, they are the measurement and evaluation of an activity's results against their intended or projected results. So outcomes are essentially what you hope to achieve once you accomplish that goal. So if we look at the above examples and we look at, okay, what is the goal? Is to increase revenue, right? Increase profits. And then the objective is to call our existing customers and let them know about an existing promotion. And then our actual outcome may be by the end of the year to increase profit by 50% over the previous year. So it's really the end goal, right? The outcome that you're looking to achieve. And here we can see the examples here very clearly. So the goal, increase profits. Objective, call existing customers with a special promotion to introduce a new product or service. The outcome is to have a 50% increase in profits year over year. Now, a lot of times where people have problems and where they fall short with their goals is they make them very broad, right? Because increasing profits or losing weight, those are very broad statements. And you don't have like a step-by-step plan. You don't have like an actual outcome that you're trying to achieve, because the more specific, the more clear that your actual outcome is, right? Then the better you are going to be able to accomplish that, because you know exactly what you're moving towards. That's a lot of the reasons why most people don't really accomplish much in their lives in general, because they have these goals and then they get discouraged because they don't outline them with objectives and a particular outcome that they want to achieve. You know, a lot of people will say, hey, I want to lose weight. Well, okay, great. Well, how much weight do you want to lose? By when do you want to lose that weight? And what are the steps that you're going to take to lose that weight? So just wanted to give you the difference here as far as the goals, objectives, and outcomes, and how important it is to set a goal and then lay out the steps, right? The objectives that you want to implement to be able to accomplish that goal, and then what you're ultimately looking to accomplish with that particular outcome. So that's going to be it here for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.